Let me show you how to pull clean shipping articles from shiprocket.in, whether you're using Excel or building APIs with Minexa.ai. First, open the page where the list of results is already visible on shiprocket.in. Now open the Minexa.ai extension by clicking its icon at the top of your browser. The panel is open. Click the violet button. I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze the shipping articles automatically. And just like that, the main list of results is identified by Minexa.ai. Choose to scrape the list only, or enable detail pages, so Minexa.ai opens each shipping article's detail page. Press Continue to move on, or choose Advanced if you need to fill fields or click buttons before results show. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai does the hard work once, reusing it on any similar page automatically. All fields are detected by Minexa.ai, including hidden shipping article details like titles, summaries, and publication dates. For developers, click the API Request button, copy the code, add your URLs, and parallel processing handles the rest efficiently. Hit Complete Configuration to validate and finalize your scraper setup quickly. The Pagination button is highlighted automatically. Change it if needed, or just continue to the next step. Almost there. Add a schedule if you want this scraping job to rerun automatically. Then, hit Complete Setup. Just click Run, and the job is live, extracting shipping articles seamlessly. Every value here comes from its exact position on shiprocket.in, not guessed or inferred, but a direct, accurate read from the right element every time. This includes article titles, authors, dates, and summaries, ensuring you get precise shipping article data. Download the data and open it immediately in Excel or Google Sheets for analysis or reporting. Any website, clean data, no hassle. Developers get no selector writing, no LLM processing, no infrastructure. Just a single API call and accurate structured output.